Please watch this entire video. If you join the Dream Team, you will gain access to the Discord. And there, I have video tutorials and access to me where I go live every single Sunday. You'll have access to the Wheel Strategy video course, Cash Secure Puts. I'll teach you how to sell cover calls and bull credit spreads and put credit spreads. And we've been generating around $5,000 to $6,000 every single month selling options, because when you sell options, you are on the 90% side of option trading. When you're buying options, 90% of those traders end up not being profitable traders. Now, this strategy is perfect for doctors, lawyers, investors, teachers, CDL bus drivers, CDL truck drivers that do not have time to look at the charts every single hour of the day. So what you can do is, for 1 hour out of the month, you can set up your trades and then just sit back and check up on your trades once a week, and then you can generate passive income through premium from selling options. And I do go live every Sunday if you do want to be a weekly trader and not a monthly trader, but this gives you back so much more time other than looking at the charts every single hour of the day. Now, if you do want to continue to be a day trader, you can also join the Lucid Dreamer Roll. Inside there, I have 3 pro day traders that post their option trades every single day. Now, you could copy and paste their trades while you're learning how to option trade, but if you do want to become a day trader, they post their option trades every single day. And guys, for right now, for the prices that is at a very cheap price. I pay those option traders a lot of money, and you could get it for around $10 every single month, which is a steal for you. Now, the Dream Team get all of that included with the weekly Zoom calls, included with the Wheel Strategy guide that I'm going to walk you guys through step by step every single week, helping you guys generate more income through the stocks that you already own. I also post my technical analysis in there, and every single time I buy and sell a stock. So if you want to join the Dream Team, you get the most bang for your buck. If you want to join the Lucid Dreamer Roll and just only take advantage of my technical analysis when I buy and sell the stocks and my 3 pro day traders, you guys can check that out. Can't wait to see you guys inside the Patreon. Can't wait to see you guys inside the Discord. Peace.